Hey, we're gonna take a look at the Rosewill RGB case fans and hub set. Looks like it's a 5-pack. Let's take a look at it. So yeah, here's the front, top, side. It's a lot of numbers. There's a back. Looks like a fan. Dual ring RGB case fan. That's it. 2 remote. 3 8-port RGB fan hub. 4 is 1500 RPM. 7 blades. 5 packs. QR code. Here's the other side. There's the bottom. Nothing. Let's take a look at it. Already cut it open. And there's the fans. Let's take a look. I don't even know how to plug this in right now because I don't have a computer to plug it into. Here's the fan. Is that centered? Yeah, it's not really. Looks like there's foam padding on that. It's not the hard padding, it's just foam padding. Looks like it stays divoted in. Here's the back. Support. What? It's just this. It's just that. So it's less. Here's the fan controller and instructions. Let's take a look. The instructions. Switch on, off, remote LED, on, off, increase brightness, decrease brightness, programming lights, signal options, fan mode. Oh, so you can control a fan mode in this. Okay, packaging content, 5 fans, RGB hub, remote, SATA cable, 3-pin connecting cable, X20 mount screws, user manual. Here's the back. Here's how to install it. And then, yeah, let's take a look. Here's a remote. There's a cable or battery, instruction, screws. Oh, it's magnet. It's magnetized. Here's controller hub, screws, 5 screws, and here's a hub. So there's the fans. More fans. There's an LED right there. There's the back. Nothing there. There's a front. Power and MB. And here's one of the cables. Let's see. MB. Into this. Or the other way. This way. There's a power. Looks like. SATA. There's a power. This, you plug this into your power supply. Your power supply should have this in it as the newer power sources. And let's look at this. This says GVD, and this is the lights. So here's that cable, ASUS or MSI MB addressable RGB header and gigabit. So do you just plug this in and then you control it by this? So it's not automatic. You can only control it by gigabit or ASUS's RGB header. So I got this for $20 and this one's this. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to plug this in and see how this works. But I think the other one is better than this because it's automatic. You can plug this in, even though it's more cables. You can plug in the controller into the motherboard system fan, and then the system fan will automatically adjust the fan setting to pull up how much heat it needs to do by itself, instead of having you do it because you don't know how hot it is. Really? It's not automatic? Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, or message me. Am I saying this wrong? Okay, I don't know. I could be wrong. I'm wrong. I don't know. I'm gonna plug it in and see how this works. So yeah, like and subscribe. See you guys. Thanks for watching.